Hello guys, welcome to Cybercrest YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we came back with an exciting CTF, Agent Sudo. So guys, without losing our time, let's move on to the computer screen and start solving this exciting CTF. So guys, now we are on our computer screen and here we have opened TryHackMe and this is the Agent Sudo CTF. So let's join this room. And we have joined, and let's start the attack box. We will use the attack box to solve this room. So guys, it will take some time to load. In that, let's start our victim machine. Start the machine, and here we will get the target IP or victim IP. And here the attack box is running. So this, we have completed this thing. And now for this, let's wait for some time. Let it load. Guys, now our attack box started, so we will give enter and here we will start the terminal. So for the first question, let's copy this IP, the target IP. We have copied it down, and here we will start the nmap scan and -sc -sv, and here we will paste the target IP and we will give enter. And here the nmap scan started and it will take some time. So guys, we use this to find the open ports. So here we got 21 TCP, that is the FTP server, 22 TCP, that is SSH, and 80 TCP, that is HTTP or a web server. So here we have totally 3 open ports. So here how you redirect yourself to a secret page. So let's check from, like, here we have the 80 TCP. So I think we might have a web browser. We will use our web browser and we will search for some websites. So let's check that thing. Yeah, it's loading. So we will open a new tab and here we will paste the target IP and we will give enter. So here, dear agent, use your own code name as user agent to access the site. So I think user agent, like in the user agent section or header section, that might be something. So first let's check on page source. So in page source, no, nothing. So let's close this. So let's start the burp. We'll start the burp suit and we will check for some header file. So it's running now. What is the agent name? Okay, we will check that thing. Let's see what hint. Insert format. Okay. Here we are using Bubsuit Community Edition, that is inbuilt, provided by the attack box by TryHackMe. So it will take some time. Yeah, now it started, so we'll click the next and start Bub. So here our Bub is started, I think. Yeah, it's loading. So now we will go to the proxy and your intercept is on. So we will go to our browser. Here we will set the burp on and here we will click on reload. So now we will minimize it down, I think burp. So here we got the request, get request. So we will move this thing to repeater. So there we got the user agent. So here we find a user agent. So we can change this thing and we can check for different users. So we'll send. So here we got 200 response. That means user A is not working. Then for B we will send. No, that is also 200. Okay, for C. So here we got a 302 found, like we redirected to another page. So here we will click on follow redirection, and yes, here we got something. Do you still remember your deal? Please tell your agent J about the stuff. Also change your goddamn password is weak. So I think here we got the answer, like how do you redirect yourself to the secret page, that is from user agent. So we can write that user agent and we can submit. What is the agent name? Agent name, like here we got Chris. So we will copy it and here we will paste. Yes, this is also correct. So this thing completed. So we'll move to next text. So here now we will close the perp. Yes, and also in our browser we will close this disable and we will close this thing. So now we will move to the task 3. So here done, enumerate the machine time to boot your way to FTP password. Here he is asking for some FTP password. So like we got the user here, that is a Chris. So let's try. Here also we know FTP service is running and we have an open port. So let's try that thing. So for that we have to, I'm using Hydra to find the FTP password. So Hydra and -L, like I have the username Krish. Then for password I will give the word list, that is, sorry, you as a user, then share, then word lists, and rocku.txt and here we will run the FTP and here we will paste the target IP. Control Shift V and we will give enter. So let's wait. I think this might take some time, like it will check. Yeah, it's working. So let's wait and see. 116 tags per one server, over 16 tags, login tries, so it will take some time. So let's wait and check whether we are getting the correct password or not. So guys, here we got the password. I think yes, your login Krish and password is Crystal. So I think this is our FTP password. So let's copy and here we'll paste that thing, Control V and submit. So yes, we got. So now G file password. I think in this FTP server we might get some password. So let's move into the FTP. And here we will copy our taking IP. Sorry, that is the victim IP, and here we will paste the thing and we'll give enter. So your name, that is Krish, the password, that is Crystal. So here we are inside the FTP. So let's give a ls and check what we are getting here. I think here we got 3 files, that is 2 agent J, cute ln jpg, qt png. So let's use the mget, and we will use the star for all the files and download all this to our working machine. So give enter, and we will do yes. For this also yes. For this also yes. So now we can exit the FTP, and here we can give a ls and check whether we got that thing or not. Yes, we got qtpng, here 2agent.txt, and here cute align jpg. So first of all we can check this thing, that is a text file, so we will use the cat command, and I will simply copy this, and we can here simply paste and give enter. So here we got dear agent J. All this alien like photo of fake agent has stored the real picture inside your directory. Your login password is somehow stored in the fake picture. It should be a problem for you. Okay, like here we can use the steganography, like that is a method we found something informative inside a picture, or that is in jpg format or png format. So for that, here we will use a tool, that is xshift tool, and we can check the png file, that is qt.png. So here we found some information about that picture, and here we got a warning. Here we got a warning, that is trailer data after png ind chunk. So here we can use another tool, that is binwork, and we can use that picture cudie.png, and we can give enter. So guys, here we got some error, like file user bin. I think here attribute error module capstone has no attribute. Okay, so for that we can do simply, we can copy this, shift C, and we can find the solution. We can I'm using the chat GPT, like I don't have any proper idea regarding this modules. So how to fix this in try hack me attack box? How to fix this in the try hack me attack box, and here I think we will get some solution. Fix the binwork in try hack me attack box. So yeah, capstone. So we can run these commands one by one. Control Shift V, and yeah, it's doing use sudo apt. So I think upgrade 0, newly install 0, remove and 205 not to upgrade. Okay, so now reinstall. We can copy this and we can paste that thing here. So Python, yes. Okay, let's check the use still face issue, install directly from source. Okay, we can use this. So we will close this with Ctrl C, and we can give a Ctrl Shift V. So I think this will work. Running command git clone -q. I think this will work. So let's wait and see what it's getting. So I think this is taking time, so we'll close this thing. and we will let's search some alternative, like this is show some alternative that here we have foremost carbs, file, JPG, PNG, chip, etc. of the binary form. So we can use this foremost minus I output folder. So let's use this thing. Let's see whether it works or not. So you can paste output folder, we will save, and here we will change the file name, that is cutrt.png, and we can give enter. So found to agent.txt. I think here we got something, so let's ls and check. So here thin client drives to agent j.txt to agent r.txt. So I think here we given the output folder. Yes, let's move to the output folder. We have set that thing in the output folder. Ctrl Shift V, and we will give enter. So here we can give the ls. Yes, here we have audit.txt chip, and so cat command, and we will check that txt, udit.txt. So I think here we got some file, that is zip file and a png file. So here we found one zip file, so let's unzip that file and extract that thing, this zip file. So we can extract this two files extracted, that is zip. So we can check for this zip. Okay, here we got the zip file. So zip to John, and we can give here the zip file name, that is here the zip file name. We can copy, and here we can paste that thing, and here we can extract to s.txt. we can give one file name. Let's check. So here it's giving no such file or directory. Sorry, we have to go back, and yes, here we can do that thing. So here we can do ls, and here we got hash.txt. So now we can use John the Ripper to get this file password. Okay, to get this file password hash.txt, so we will use John and hash.txt, and we'll do enter. Let's see whether it can find the password or not, so we can wait sometimes. So yes, here we got alien, this is our password. So we can copy this, and here we can paste that thing. Yes, that is the correct answer. We got our password. So for stack password, I think now we can open this. So to open this zip file, okay, so we can use another one tool, that is 7z, and we can extract, and here we will give the zip file name. So we'll copy that, we will paste, so we'll enter, yeah, password, so alien, so enter password will not be code, everything is okay guys. So we are inside the zip, let ls, so let's use the cat command, and now we can see this agent r.txt. So I think agent C, we need to see the picture to this as soon as by agent R. So I think this might be the stack password. So we can decode this, copy. So we can use some echo, and here we can paste that string, and we can give a piping. Give a piping, and this is a base 64. Sorry, base 64. We can give enter. This is echo. Yes, here we got area 55. Now we got our stack password. So we will copy, and here we can paste, and we'll use stack hide and extract, stack hide extract, and we will use minus sf, and here simply we will copy this, and here we will give a paste and enter. So passphrase, that is area 51. So yes, we got the message.txt, so we will give a ls. So guys, here we got message.txt, so let's get message.txt, and we will give an enter. So guys, here we got gems. I think this might be our other agent, so let's paste and give enter. So yes, that is correct. So another one, sss password, so I think this, so copy, and we will give a paste. Yes, that's also correct. So we will here user flag. So for user flag we need to go, I think um, we have to go inside the ssh, because that's also running. So here we can do ssh gems, sorry, gems, and here we can paste the target ip. So we will copy, here we will paste, and we will give a enter. So here we will type yes. So password, I think here we have this thing, so we can copy this, and here we can paste, and we can give enter. So yes, we are inside the gem, so we will do a ls, and user flag text, yes, we got. We will use the cat command, and yeah, this is very easy. So we will paste and we'll give enter. So here we got the user flag. So we will copy this and here we will paste and give a. So here is the what is the incident of the photo called. Oh, here is a photo and it's asking what is the incident. So we'll copy this and simply we will check here. We'll paste and what is the incident? Incident of photo. Yeah, here, yes. I think this can be the. Let's check this thing. Okay, we will be. Okay, yes, this is the correct answer. So now we move for privilege escalation. Oh, yeah, we need a CVE number. So for CVE number, let's check what we can do. So we can simply check for sudo -l James password. Let's copy from here. Sorry, that was from here. I've copied that, pressed and enter. So we got this thing. So I will simply copy this. Sorry, I will copy this thing. And for privilege escalation, CVE number we need. We'll block this. We'll go back, and here I will press and give enter. So I think from here we can get something CVE. Yes, here is the CVE number. So I copied this and I will paste here. So submit. Yes, this is also correct. So now we can move back and go for exploit. Let's find some exploit. So here if we will check, so I think from here, yes, here is the exploit. I will simply copy this and I will move here, and for the root access I will paste that thing and give a enter. So I think I got inside, so give a ls user flag. Okay, we will move to root. Yes, and here it will give a ls. So we got the root.txt, and yes, here we got the root flag. I will copy this and here I will paste. So give us a. Yeah, that's correct. And who is the agent R? Here is the agent R. So we will copy and here I will paste and submit. So yes, now our room is completed. So congratulations on completing agent sudo. Yes, so we have completed our room successfully. So guys, we have successfully completed this room.